wish I would have never found out. You were supposed to be me. I was supposed to be you. Why did you do this to us, man? Why? If you'd only left things alone, you'd be alive and I'd be in there dead.